Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix sign out is not available. So as you can see, here is error, sign out is not available due to restriction and you can't sign out your Apple ID from the iPhone. So I am currently using iOS 15 and this is the problem. So we are going to fix this problem. So here, as you can see guys, I have iOS 15.0. So now I'm going to fix this. So let's start the video. Before we start the video guys, please subscribe to the channel and like this video. So guys, first of all, open your iPhone settings, then guys tap on screen time, then scroll down, then click on turn off screen time. So after this guys, you can just sign out from your iCloud ID. So let me show you. Now click on Apple ID username. Now scroll down and try to sign out. So as you can see, now you can sign out from iCloud. So let me remove it. So guys, as you can see that iCloud is removed now. So hope you guys like this video. Leave a like and comment. Thanks for watching guys. See you in the next video.